Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
brown stew beef with Mexican rice. And what you kind of corn you have the first lady?
Mexican corn.
Yes.
Oh, you got it.
Okay.
I cooked this meal today, so the hubby wasn't here, so I'm glad that you remembered it.
It's food.
It's
I won't forget if it's food. Come on now, don't do that.
Before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit today because I always love it. You like it. I love it.
Honey, we gotta do a thumbnail.
We're going to pick up one right now with the corn, man.
You want one of the corn? We're gonna pick up some
Pick
of the
up some of
rice.
my beef. Pick up my corn more I work with, man.
Okay, ready? Okay.
So wait there.
Oh.
So we could dig in?
Yeah, man.
Wow. Gotta have it on deck. Ooh. Corn spicy. You put pickle pepper on it.
I put cayenne pepper.
I know I taste it. You know? Then I gotta go with my sweet baby rage. You know I gotta like my salt. So what? Leave me alone. I don't care. That's how I eat my stuff.
So I decided to make stewed beef. Why?
Because I am First Lady. You know, so I'm gonna put some in my mouth first before me talk.
Oh, I'm sorry. Who messed with my straw?
This was requested. It was a requested dish, you know. We getting around, you're doing a little round, you know. And the family member that requested this was Shauna K. Edwards. Big up yourself, you know the thing's set already.
I did put a twist on it
Tell her.
because we had rice and peas not too long ago.
Too much, yeah.
So I wanted something different. So we have
Yes.
stewed beef with Mexican rice. And then Mexican corn. I decided change it up.
Change up, see? You got the best of both worlds now. With a Mexican thing today.
Yeah, because there's so much rice in the supermarket, different rice options. So you don't have to just put rice and
Yeah,
peas.
too much rice and peas, but you got your stew beef, you know?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Hope you like it. We appreciate the dishes, you know? I think we got to all of them already.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we got to all of them, family.
All of them. I don't know what beef this is. I picked up one that was on sale. I'm talking to business.
Charlie B is cheap and clean, you know?
It doesn't matter what kind of beef, as long as it's beef,
BB good too.
and you stew it down. How Mexican corn taste, my love?
Put Mexican corn. Okay, good as
It's just butter, mayo. What the cheese name?
No.
I forgot. But it's a Mexican cheese.
That's good though. Wow. This is kind of corn like when you go to the fair and stuff like that.
Yes.
You like your corn like that? Yeah, I know I'm already say. Yeah, I do. Calm it down. That is good though.
Real good. Remember the time we was going to
Key West?
Key West again? And we took the back road.
Yeah.
We didn't go on the 95. And we saw a man selling corn and we stopped and got some.
I'm not a corn head, but it tastes good. Per day. This is good.
It came out good.
That corn got a taste to it, yo.
Yeah. It's the cheese.
The mac and cheese.
When I go there, look at the name. I put in the description box. But it's a Mexican cheese. When we go to the fair, I don't want to go on no rides. All I want to do is eat corn, funnel cake, and ice cream. So, I was there one time. It's a fair in our area. And I bought corn. And I was putting so much cheese. The lady was like, ma'am, that's a lot of cheese. I was like, the cheese is what makes it.
This is good. Her
So
season.
We had beef 2 days in a row. Wow.
What kind of other beef you eat? I remember mine just eating.
Yesterday, we had steak and mashed potatoes.
It's a different beef. That was steak beef.
And steak too.
Beef this. I don't have a problem with it. You hear that? Family. So how y'all doing? Before I get too far.
That corn.
That corn on some different level. What? Yeah, thinking about getting corn too? I know first they had to go do that. No, you want corn too. Go ahead.
It's so easy to make.
It's easy to make. Go make it yourself. Can you go to the fair? Bring the fair to you. How we doing? This is good. I ain't gonna lie. Wow.
Ooh!
They put mayonnaise on it. A lot of people do the same thing too.
That's how it's made.
Oh,
The cayenne pepper will get you.
creep up.
Woo!
That does taste.
Spicy. And for a person who don't like corn, like you,
I know if I really not gonna eat them, I'm hungry. When I'm hungry,
he's always hungry.
I'm not hungry. I eat. Well. Oh yeah, I'm drinking some strawberry lemonade. No? You gotta bring it up with me.
Excuse me.
Yo, you ever be eating and then you want to drink something so bad and as soon as you drink it, like it's melted in your stomach?
You count the napkin, baby? Or like you haven't drank anything all day,
Yeah.
and then you eat something first, but then when you drink it, it's like it's pushing the food down.
Yep. Wow. Well, I mean,
Oh.
yeah, they don't shut them on your beef. Sorry.
I gave you too much beef?
No, so we didn't show them. It's a long time I didn't offer them no food. No, I don't want to drop because somebody wanted.
That looks really good.
We didn't offer them none. They didn't say we didn't offer them. Damn. Melt in your mouth, not in your hair.
I feel like this is fresh corn. Like, even frozen corn would suffice. And it'd be just as good with frozen corn.
I like it.
I didn't want to put too much. Woo,
No.
the cayenne pepper. I didn't want to put too much of it.
The cayenne pepper, it sneak up on you.
It does.
I didn't put them in today.
So, when you guys go to the fair, what's your favorite thing to eat at the fair? Mine is the corn and the funnel cake. Tamia, she loves the fried Oreos. Vincent, he walk around for a while until he finds something. And what's your favorite?
I don't have
Anything.
anything.
As long as there's basketball for him to play.
As long as it's basketball, as long as it can fool me.
Yeah.
I don't care what it is. As long as it can fool me up. I really don't have a favorite.
I know.
I probably, if they have Philly cheesesteak, I make a Philly cheesesteak. Or burger. I love burgers.
But sometimes you want the wings.
Yeah, some wings and stuff
Some
like that.
fries.
When I eat anything, okay.
What? You yum anything?
See, you mind the farm, my youth. I consume. I don't eat. I consume.
Here we go again.
I consume everything.
Now try and scoop up the rice.
Try to go right here. You want to get us a name of the car, them so you don't name one none of the food. Family, she ain't eating none of the food enough.
I want that corn.
You're going, you better eat some of your food.
The food is good.
I ate my portion of my food already.
I just wanna.
Baby, you see what she did? She ain't eating none of the food. Me alone. It's all good. I'll manage it. I want it. Family, I'm getting big and brolic. My friend can't fit me no more. Your sugar getting big.
What? What you say? Mr. Biggs? Take the weed and leave the money?
Take the weed and left the what? You sound like a... Yeah, right, family. My clothes can't fit me no more. First day that fucked me up. But how was your day though, for real? For real. Because, you know, first lady over there tearing up the corn and she never eating none of the damn food.
It's the corn I want.
But yeah, don't worry. The day's not going, it's not going good. Why not? Oh, I know why it's not going good. Because you want to hear the word of wisdom. I know. That's all you had to say? Let me take one more bite. Hold on. Hold on. All right now. I know it's going to go good now. Got something for your family. Excuse me. Now I'm going to cheer you out. Word of wisdom. Greedy fam. We all have problems. Boss up and solve them.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's how y'all going today?
I said that's the way for the word of wisdom. Greedy fam, you heard me? We all have problems. Boss up and solve them.
Period.
Period. Facts. Feel me? That's right. Your first day said period. Yeah. Okay. Boss up. Let's get it. Now we're back. We're back to the channel now. I know there wasn't feeling right. I was waiting for it. You know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I had to tell
That
him.
makes sense.
Yeah, I had to tell him what to do. You know what I'm saying? Well, everybody have problems. But it's how you go about it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody perfect. Everybody have something going on in their life.
Everyone.
Everybody have something going on. They may not show it, but everybody have something going on in their life.
Yeah.
Yep. If I'm right on that, comment down. Let me and First Lady see, because I know. May not be y'all, but I'm just saying, I'm just talking, you know?
Right.
So we don't want to know your business. Like First Lady chat people business. First Lady chat business. Yo, man, you blind, you want blind with the Kanye, man? The Kanye pepper, my youth?
Oh,
I never know the Kanye make pepper, man.
it's in your eye?
Oh, yeah, come like you want blind with my youth. Chat too much. But yeah. Yeah, we try to business like First Lady. But everybody go through something. That's why we enjoy coming in front of y'all eating. Yo, my youth, you have a new shirt, my youth.
It's not me. I call it juicy, man.
You know what I'm saying? That's why we come in front of y'all, you know what I mean? Try to give you a little laughter and try to cheer up your day, you know?
Right.
Always problem somewhere. That's why I gave you that word of wisdom. Okay?
That was a good one.
Yep. I be having the word of wisdom right. For what situation, you know?
Right, you do.
That's what I'm saying. Boss up. Don't run away from it. So how long you gonna keep running? Hmm?
Running.
Stop running.
Mm-hmm.
Stop running, family. And just boss up and go get it. Do what you gotta do. Simple as that.
I feel like there's corn all over my mouth.
No, come on.
Guys, don't forget to go out and vote.
That's right. That's one of the problems. You know what I'm saying? So now you're gonna do. Boss up and go do it. That's right. You have to have the, I know the white word of wisdom to tickle your family skin sometime, you know.
You do.
Yeah.
You be on point.
Yeah. I be there, you know. Pastor Rich, you know, sometimes I transform. But yeah, family.
Woo, I'm full.
That was a good one. You know what to do already, First Lady. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all because I'm still eating.
Oh, excuse me, guys.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are, First Lady?
The Greedy family.
All right, do your thing.
Where my you?
That was delicious. No, like, good up shirt, man.
You feel my teeth?
You ever tell me if something in your food, forget anything, where you with your nose?
So when I like this, I like this.
Yeah. Man. Watch out. Open your mouth. Open, guys. You food, you have anything, you want to get donkey, my youth? Go, guys.
You get it right there.
Let me see. I like to eat. Okay. Mind you, come like a donkey. You don't have to cheese like that. You can just buy you. Hold on, watch out. Open your mouth, let me see. Mind you, come like a donkey, my youth. You're a donkey dog.
Hey. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.